Hey everyone, my name is Jermaine Brewer, and today I'm going to show you how to connect Data Cloud to an Amazon S3 bucket. All right, so I'm here in my dashboard. So I'm in my Data Cloud app. So just make sure when you go to your app launcher, you're in your Data Cloud app, and then you're going to go to the gear icon. We're going to go to Data Cloud Setup. So that's going to take us here in the back end. Then on the left-hand side here, we're going to select Other Connectors under External Integrations. And then we're going to select New. And then for the source, you notice there's a lot of different data sources here that we can connect. But today we're going to select Amazon S3, then select Next. And then you can give your connection a name. At this point, you can name it anything you want. Just remember your connection name. So I'm just going to do test S3, just something basic here. Hold on, let me do this. All right, then if you notice, it automatically fills in the API name, so you don't want to change that. Salesforce is going to put that in according to what you choose for your connection name. We're going to go ahead and leave access key and secret base selected here. And then you need to have your access key and your secret asset access key from AWS. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my key. And then after this video, I'm going to change these keys, of course. So you don't want to make your keys public, that's for sure. So make sure, you don't share your keys with anybody because you don't want people accessing your Amazon S3. So I'm going to put in my key here. Okay, and I forgot that it doesn't actually show it here. So I'm copying and pasting it from Notepad. So you'll be okay with that. All right, so I've entered in my access key and my secret access key. And then for the bucket name, you want to put in your S3 bucket name. So I've already created a bucket here. And I just called it Salesforce Test JB. Just know your bucket names do have to be a unique name, so no one else can't be using this same bucket name that you choose here. And then for the parent directory, I'm just going to leave it as the slash here. And then we can go ahead and select test connection. And you see connection was established right here. So that's good. Then we go ahead and hit save. All right, so I've just connected it. So if you notice, it's pretty simple to connect the S3 bucket. The key thing is that secret key and the regular key. Now, when I go back in on the front end of Data Cloud here, so I'll go ahead and go back to my Data Cloud app. And then I'm gonna just go ahead and refresh my browser. Anytime I do anything on the back end of Salesforce, I always like to just refresh the browser just to make sure. And then once we go to data streams, we select new data stream here. And then if you notice, we have a source here that's called Amazon S3. So under other sources, you'll go ahead and select it. And then you select next. And then you choose your connection name. So I named mine Test S3. You notice it's in the drop down here now. And it even timestamps it so you'll know for sure that you are selecting the correct bucket. If you notice, I have another one that I did previously, but I'll go ahead and select here. And then you just go through the steps of connecting your data stream. So whatever that was in that S3 bucket, you want to bring that data in to be able to segment in Data Cloud, you're able to. So if it's a CSV, I'll leave it here. And then you choose to import from a specific directory. You can choose the file name. You see it automatically selected the source here for you. And then you can select next, and go through and create your data stream. And then you'll be able to use your data from your S3 bucket into Data Cloud. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and follow me for more because I will be creating more Data Cloud content in the future.